Click for Biology. 211. We're outlining cell theory. Outlining means to give a brief summary. So here we're giving a brief summary of cell theory. The first part of cell theory is that cells are the smallest unit of life. Now what this means is that if you take some of the parts of a cell, so we take a basic cell and we take out a nucleus or mitochondria or any other organelle, they cannot exist by themselves. These organelles must be combined together before we get the processes that we would call and define as life. So cells are the smallest unit of life. The second one is that all living things are composed of cells. Now this suggests that if you look at any living thing, you will not find anything that doesn't have cells, and for the most part this holds true, with one or two strange examples that test the rule. So we look up here at this example of Elodea and we see the cellular nature of the living system composed of cells. And if we go looking at all other living things, we find some other form of cellular life. All living things are composed of cells. The third one relates to the origin of cells, or at least where cells come from. All cells come from other cells. And this is really relating to the process of cell division. So a cell will divide to form two smaller cells, which will then grow to make larger cells, and will also in turn divide to form more cells. And this one would do the same. So these cells here owe their origins to these cells and in turn to this cell. So we look at the cells here in Elodea. We know that these cells, these Elodea cells, come from other Elodea cells. That human red blood cells come from other human cells. So these are the three components of cell theory. Cells are the smallest unit of life. All living things are composed of cells. And number three, that all cells come from other cells.